Hello, dear students. We shall do some more problems on trigonometric identities. It is useful for your ISC class 10 and CBSE class examination. So the solution for it is, this is cos square 58, 2 by 3 cot 58 and tan 32 minus 5 by 3 tan 13, tan 37, tan 45, tan 53, tan 77. The simplification will see that it's a very small number. Minus 1, something like that. Yeah, minus 1 will be that answer. Okay. So solution is two by three. Start doing the step itself. We don't have space on the monitor. So we step c square 58. 2 in minus 2 by 3. Cot 58. This will change to tan 32. We'll write tan 90 minus 58. Then this is 1, right? So minus 5 by 3. Tan 13. Tan 37 into 1. What is 53? 53 and 53 and 37 is 90. So this tan we write as into tan 90 minus 37. 90 minus 37, okay, 53. And 77 write as into tan 90 minus 23. 77 is 90. Don't change both, only one you change. So what we have here is 2 by 3. Cos 2 by 3 is common here. We take it out common out here. Then cos square 58 minus cot 58 into cot 58, right? Cot square 58. I write one more step. Let me okay now. Cot 58. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Reason is tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. So what you are going on applying this one. Minus 5 by 3 tan 13, right? Tan 37 into cot 37. If you know, you can cut directly here. Cot 23. Cot 23. If you know, you can directly cut here. Okay. This is what is it. These steps are absolutely not necessary, in fact. This step. Cot square, cos square 58 minus cot square 58. Right? Minus 1 by 5 by 3. Tan 13 into tan 37. Now here cot 37, I'll write tan 1 by tan 37. And cot 23, I'll write tan 23. So what will happen here? It's 13, right? So it's 13. Okay. So 13. 13. Sorry. Cut. This is cot 90 minus 13. This is 1, 3. Note it down. This also 1, 3, 13. This 13. I'll just correct it, okay? Minus 1, 3. Okay, that's a mistake in fact. 2 by 3. What is now here? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to this cos square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cos square theta. All of us know it's the formula. Third formula. So 1 is equal to cos square theta minus cot square theta. So this part become, what is it? This part become 1. So the answer will be 2 by 3 into 1. 2 by 3 into 1 minus 5 by 3 into 1. Okay, all cuts. So 2 by 3 minus 5 by 3 is equal to minus 3 by 3 minus 1. What the answer? This answer. Okay. Now, second question is find the value of, actually without using trigonometry table, tan 20 by cosec 70 the whole square plus cot 20 divided by sec 7 the whole square by 2 tan 15, tan 45, tan 75. Solution is straight away got a solution. See this term, we will write it as tan 20 by cosec 90 minus 70 is 90 minus 20 the whole square plus cot 20 sec 90 minus 20 the whole square plus 2 tan 15 into 1 tan 41 all of you know, all of us know it. Tan 75 can write it as, we can write it as 19 minus 90 minus 15, right? So here second step will be tan 20, I'll write as sin 20 by cos 20, tan theta sin theta by cos theta into 1 by sec 20 the whole square. Next one is cot 20, also same thing, cos 20 divided by cos 20 by sin 20. This one will be sec 90 minus 20 will be cosec 20. Cosec 20 the whole square, okay. 2 into tan 15 into cot 15. Now what is sec 20? 1 by cos 20. So sin 20 by cos 20 into 1 by cos 20. Sec 20 1 by cos 20 the whole square plus cos 20 by sin 20 into 1 by sin 20. Sec 20 is 1 by sin 20 the whole square. 2 into tan 15 into 1 by tan 15. Cos 20 cancel. Sin 20 get cancelled. So what will you get is sin square 20 this one, right? Plus cos square 20 plus 2. This is sin cos theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. So you have 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So over, right? Okay, we will go to next. So we shall do third problem now. Who that sin theta minus 2 sin q theta divided by 2 cos q theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta, right? Its identity is now LHS. What will you get? LHS is equal to sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Now what you can take common outside, sin theta can be taken common from the denominator, sin theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by, here cos theta is common, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now either you put for tan theta we got, now we have to cut this one. Either you change sin square theta or cos square theta. Let me change cos square theta, okay. We know cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Put it here, this plug the value here. So what will I get? Sin theta or tan theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by 2 into 1 minus sin square theta minus 1, right? Tan theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1. So tan theta, you get cut, see? Tan theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by 2 minus 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cut them. Both you can cut off. You get tan theta is equal to tan theta. That is RHS. Hence proved. Okay. Hope you understood it. If you can't follow it, see, prove that root of 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Because theta plus cos theta can be so many forms. See, just explain you. See, 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta also. Or 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. Or 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. All forms it comes same from that is there. So what is the LHS? LHS is equal to root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Now you rationalize it. You remove the root in the denominator. So what you do? Multiply with conjugate. 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, right? It escaped from there. Divide by 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. What do you do? Multiplying both NR and DR by 1 plus cos theta in the radical. That's root. So we have that 1 plus cos theta the whole square. Any different form you'll do that one. Root problem is the method you do it. So 1 plus cos theta the whole square divided by 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. So what will you get? 1 plus cos theta, root goes root of 1 minus sin cos square theta, sin square theta. We know the formula. Cos square theta is equal to cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. We apply that formula there. You get 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Split and write 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. As I told you earlier, any type of this problem under root, you multiply by conjugate, okay? Cosec theta plus cot theta. Hence, this answer what you should get. Okay, is equal to RHS. Is equal to RHS. Hence proved. So this problem is over. Hope you followed it. Next problem, I think number is, what is number? Maybe number anything, maybe 7, right? To put question number 7. Okay, I forgot number 7. Forgive me, I forgot the number. Okay, so again prove that cosine 1 minus sin A, 1 minus tan A plus sin A 1 plus 1 minus cot A. Sin A by plus cos A. Okay, sin A plus cos A. We have to prove. So you can do sin A by cos A by sin A. You can do it. That you may try. I'll try 1 by tan I'll put here. Okay, tan cot A is equal to 1 by tan I'll put. Cot A is equal to 1 by tan. You can of course put sin A by cos A, cos A by sin A. So what is LHS? LHS is equal to cos A 1 minus tan A plus sin A 1 minus 1 by tan A. One simplification, what will you get? Cos A 1 minus tan A. This will go here and go up, right? So sin A into tan A, multiply all term by tan A, each term by tan A, then we'll get the answer here. Tan A minus 1. Now take negative outside from this step. So what we will have is cos A by 1 minus tan A plus, so minus A, if you negative take outside, no? Sin A into tan A by 1 minus tan. So what is common here? 1 minus tan A is common, so take it outside. 1 by 1 minus tan A, took it outside. Then here you have cos A minus sin A into sin A by cos A, right? So you have here which method is productive, you do that method, okay? 1 by 1 minus tan A. So cos square A minus sin square A divided by cos A. So what is this one? You multiply cos A into 1 minus tan A with cos A. You get cos A minus, simplify denominator as well numerator, you get it as cos A plus sin A. Applying the identity A square minus B square, cos A minus sin A divided by here cos A minus cos A tan A. Here we are coming to same step, sin A by cos A, and put it here, you will understand it. Yeah, straight away right also, if you know it also. Cos A plus sin A into cos A minus sin A is equal to cos A minus cos A into cos into cos A by sin A. Sin A by cos A. So you have cos get cancelled. Cos A minus sin A this also get cancelled. You have answer cos A plus sin A. Cos A plus sin A. So this hence RHS, hence proved. Okay.